we are going to see the preparation of amines. Preparation of amines. Amines means a compound which contain bond NH2 group. Compound containing bond NH2 group. So first preparation is from nitro group. Nitro group means compound containing bond NO2 group. So we are going to prepare amines. First method is reduction of nitro compounds. That means nitro compound means compound containing bond NO2. That compound is going to be reduced to amines. So by using which reagent? This NO2 group is converted to NH2. So first, what is reduction first? Addition of hydrogen. Reduction means addition of hydrogen, or we can say removal of oxygen. So here no oxygen, so reduction of hydrogen. That is reduction. Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Reduction means we need a reducing agent, no? Reducing agent may be hydrogen nickel, hydrogen palladium or hydrogen platinum. That is catalytic reduction. This is known as a catalytic reduction. And metals, acidic medium. Metals in acidic medium. Or lithium aluminum hydride like that also. So using these reducing agent, NO2 group is converted to NH2. NO2 group is converted to NH2. So, what is that? Reduction means addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. We are going to reduce which group? NO2 group. We are going to reduce NO2 group to NH2 group. So, to convert NO2 to NH2, what are the reducing agent we are going to use here? That is hydrogen nickel, hydrogen platinum, hydrogen palladium, that is catalytic reduction, or any metals in acid medium. We can also prepare the NO2, that is NO2 is converted to NH2. So using these reducing agent, what happens? NO2 group is converted to NH2 group. NO2 group is converted to NH2 group. So let's see the reaction. First one is nitrobenzene. So nitrobenzene, this is nitro group attached to a benzene ring. So nitrobenzene, hydrogen palladium in the presence of ethanol. Reduction, that is bond NO2 can be written as N double bond O. Here coordinate bond O, that is plus minus. So this is the structure of the NO2 group. How the reduction takes place? The reduction needs how many hydrogen? 6 hydrogen. So first to remove one bond, H, H. Remove another bond, H, H. So what happens? NH2, H2O. This is a coordinate bond, you know. So this oxygen goes out and the lone pair comes to the nitrogen. Lone pair comes to the nitrogen. So NO2 group is converted to NH2. NO2 group is converted to NH2. Here 4, no. So this also converted lone pair. So 2 hydrogen added here, H2O. Here H2O, and here this is converted to NH2. So by using a 6 hydrogen atom, NO2 group is converted to NH2. So concept is using a reducing agent like hydrogen platinum, hydrogen nickel, hydrogen palladium, and any metal with acid medium, tin HCl, iron HCl. These are the reducing agent used to convert the NO2 group to NH2. Important. What are the reducing reagent? Reducing agent convert NO2 to NH2, tin HCl, iron HCl, hydrogen platinum, hydrogen nickel. So all these reagent convert NO2 group to NH2 group. So nitrobenzene, tin and HCl, iron HCl, same 6 hydrogen. Same 6 hydrogen. NO2 group is converted to NH2. NO2 group is converted to NH2. So now this iron with HCl is preferred. Among these, this is preferred. Why? Because this iron, no, ferric chloride formed get hydrolyzed to release HCl during the reaction. So first it reacts with the Cl to form a ferric chloride, that is ferrous chloride. This on hydrolysis to give further HCl. So reaction can be continuous without any stop in the during the course of the reaction. So in this preparation, we must understand which group. NO2 group is converted to NH2 now. Which reagent used to convert NO2 to NH2? That is hydrogen platinum, hydrogen palladium, hydrogen nickel, iron HCl, tin HCl. So thus only the HCl record a small amount. That is a reasoning question. Why this is preferred? Reaction with iron and scrap is preferred. Why? So this is one of the reasoning question. Why? So ammonolysis. Next process is ammonolysis of alkyl halide. Ammonolysis of alkyl halide. Ammonolysis. Ammonolysis means addition of ammonia. Addition of ammonia. Ammonolysis to which one? Alkyl halide. That is RX. This is R bond X. Alkyl halide. Methyl chloride, methyl bromide, like that. So in this alkyl halide we are going to add the ammonia. How this process takes place? Let's see the process. CX, that is CX. Carbon halogen bond in alkyl or benzyl halide can be easily cleaved by a nucleophile. Easily cleaved by a nucleophile. If any nucleophile attack means this bond has a tendency to be cleaved easily. Hence an alkyl or benzyl halide. What is benzyl? C6H5 CH2Cl. This group is called benzyl. So benzyl halide on reaction with ethanolic solution of ammonia undergoes nucleophilic substitution. Ammonia means NH3, no? It has a lone pair electron. If it has a lone pair, means it acts as a nucleophile. Substitution reaction in which the halogen atom is replaced by amino group. So the halogen atom is replaced by amino group. That is, this halogen is replaced by amino group. NH2, amino means NH2 group. This process of cleavage of CX bond by ammonia molecule is known as ammonolysis. So the CX bond breaks and NH2 group added. This process is called ammonolysis. This process is called ammonolysis. And the reaction is carried out in a sealed tube. That means ammonia is a gas, no? It has a tendency to be evolved, so that only we are taking the ammonia in ethanolic solution. Ammonia in ethanolic solution. So we get a primary amine is the subtined. Primary amine is the subtined. NH2 is a primary amine, no? So primary amine is the subtined. We can also prepare the mixture of amines by this method. We can also prepare the mixture of amines by this method. That is, we are going to add the ammonia to alkyl halide. Now, let's see. First ammonia react means alkyl halide plus ammonia gives primary amine. This primary amine acts as a nucleophile. Then further react with alkyl halide to give secondary and further gives tertiary. And finally it has a tendency to form quaternary ammonium salt. So let's see the equation for this. That means alkyl halide. This is the alkyl halide. We know what is this? Methyl. Only one carbon is there, no? So CH3 means methyl. Br is bromide. So methyl bromide with ammonia. NH3. NH3. Here 2, here 1. NH3 is ammonia. On heating, our nitrogen carries the lone pair electron, no? So what happens? HCl. So we represent the lone pair. HBr goes out. CH3, NH2. NH2 represent this is a primary amine. So this is methyl amine. NH2 is a amine. Methyl amine. And then next another halide. Since the nitrogen has a hydrogen atom, no? So up to remove all the hydrogen atom, the reaction may be continuous. So another alkyl halide is added. Further one hydrogen goes along with the Br. With the removal of HBr. Here also with the removal of HBr. What happens? 2 methyl group is there. So CH3 twice NH. CH3 twice NH. This is dimethylamine. Secondary amine. Dimethylamine is a secondary amine. Since it is NH. Next is another alkyl halide. Next, one more hydrogen is there. This goes out as a HBr. HBr goes out. Already 2 methyl group. Here 1 methyl group. So thrice. Only N is there. Further if we add means we can able to add. Why? This becomes minus. Here we have a lone pair, no? So this lone pair has a tendency to attract this plus. So NH3, CH3 4 times. CH3 4 times. N lone pair donated, no? So plus. What is there? Br minus. So this is tetramethyl ammonium. bromide, tetramethyl ammonium bromide. Only one alkyl group is there means primary amine. Two alkyl group means secondary amine. Three alkyl group means tertiary amine. Four alkyl group is there means quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. So further we can't able to add the alkyl halide since nitrogen does not even carries the lone pair electron. Now the free amine can be obtained from the ammonium salt by treated with a strong base. From this also we can able to prepare the primary amine. How? By treating with the strong base, inorganic base, that is NaOH, sodium hydroxide. This is a strong base, sodium hydroxide. Now this quaternary or any, this is quaternary ammonium salt. No, we are taking from ammonia. So CH3 NH3 plus ammonia carries this. So HCl goes out. What happens? NaCl goes out. NaCl goes out. And here one hydrogen goes out. H2O goes out. So remaining how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. So we can get the methylamine with the removal of water and NaCl. From the quaternary ammonium salt, we can able to prepare the primary amine. Why it is called as a primary amine? Since we have a NH2 group. So the quaternary ammonium salt treated with NaOH. With NaOH, it gives a primary amine. So ammonolysis has the disadvantage. What is that? Of ammonia yielding a mixture of primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary ammonium salt. However, primary amine is obtained as a major product by taking large excess of ammonia. What is the meaning of this? Ammonolysis has a greater disadvantage because we can't able to prepare only the primary amine. It gives a mixture of amines called primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary ammonium salt. That is, it has a tendency to form a mixture of amines instead of a primary amine. So the primary amine is obtained as a major product by taking the excess of ammonia. If we want to prepare primary amine as a major means, we have to take large amount of ammonia. And now the order of the reactivity of halide with amine is iodide, bromide, chloride. That is less electronegative first. Less electronegative, have more reactivity order. Important 1 mark with ammonia. Now reaction, that is reduction with nitrile. What is nitrile? Nitrile is nothing but cyanide. That is C triple bond N, cyanide. So how will you convert the nitrile to primary amine? We are going to prepare the primary amine. No? So by using a reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Nitrile is nothing but cyanide. Using the reducing agent. These are all the reducing agent. So by using these reducing agent, cyanide is converted to primary amine. By using NO2 to NH2, if you want to convert NO2 to NH2 means, what are the reducing agent in HCl? Iron HCl, that is the first preparation we studied, no? Hydrogen with platinum, hydrogen palladium. Like that, here also we are going to convert the cyanide to primary amine. The reducing agent used here is lithium aluminum hydride, hydrogen with platinum, hydrogen with palladium. What are the uses for this? This used for the ascent of amine series, that is preparation of amines containing 1 carbon more than the starting amine. What is the meaning of this? 1 carbon. If you take methylamine means, methyl cyanide means we get ethylamine. Since cyanide itself carries 1 carbon, no? So that get increased in the primary amine. Let's see the reaction. That is cyanide. Cyanide is a nitrile. So methyl cyanide, or it is acetonitrile. If you want to tell the name as a nitrile means, it is called as a acetonitrile. Methyl cyanide, acetonitrile. Hydrogen nickel, sodium amalgam, methyl alcohol. So these are reducing agent. Hydrogen nickel or sodium amalgam. This is called as sodium amalgam. In the ethyl alcohol, sodium amalgam in ethyl alcohol. How many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen is added. Remove one bond, H. Remove another bond, H. Between one hydrogen bond is there, no? So CH3, CH2 bond NH2. Yes, this is a primary amine. So ethylamine is a primary amine. Why ethyl? 2 carbon is there, no? So it is ethylamine. That is a primary amine. So cyanide is converted to primary amine. And now reduction of isocyanide. Isocyanide, that is bond NC. Isocyanide means bond NC. This can be written as NC. That is, next we have a triple bond, not like this. This in this manner. So let's see. Now methyl cyanide. Sodium amalgam and ethyl alcohol, 4 carbon, 4 hydrogen. So we are going to remove one bond like this, no? So one bond HH. This you have to add 2 hydrogen. Lone pair. So CH3. Here NH. So CH3 NH CH3. That is CH3 N double bond C. In this manner you have to write. So that is C. Remove one bond HH. This is a coordinate bond, no? So 2 hydrogen should be placed here. So CH3 single bond there. So CH3 NH CH3 dimethyl amine. This is a secondary amine. This is a secondary amine, dimethylamine, or we can say this as nomenclature itself. We studied how to write the IUPAC name now, which relieve one alkyl group there as alkane. Consider this one. Which group is attached to nitrogen? Methyl. So N-methyl, methane, amine, methanamine. So N-methyl, methanamine, N-methyl, methanamine. So here one important 1 mark is there. What is that important 1 mark? That is cyanide on reduction gives primary amine. Isocyanide on reduction gives secondary amine. So important 1 mark is cyanide on reduction gives primary amine. Isocyanide on reduction gives secondary amine. Important 1 mark. And the next is reduction of amide. What is amide? Amide means compound containing CONH2. So amide means compound containing bond CONH2. That is a amide. So we are going to reduce. Here also reduction. What is reduction? Addition of hydrogen. So on reduction of amide, we are going to reduce the amide. Reduction of amide using lithium aluminium hydride gives a amine. Yes, amide, acetamide. This is acetamide, no? Acetic acid derivative CH3CONH2. In acids itself, acid derivatives, we studied acetamide. It is the least reactive compound we studied, no? Now, this is acetamide, lithium aluminium hydride. Reduction. How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen or 4 hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. Let's see. 1 bond H. Another remove 1 bond, 1 H. H2O goes out. C double bond O becomes CH2. CH3, CH2, NH2. Why we are adding like this? If you remove any bond, you have to introduce any alkyl, that is any group or atom to adjacent atom. If you remove any atom or group from the adjacent atom means introduce one bond. If you remove bond, add any atom or groups. If you remove any atom or group, add bond. That is a concept. On that way, we are removing one bond, substituting the atom. Another bond, substituting the atom. So H2O goes out and this becomes CH2. So CH3, CH2, NH2. What is this? This is also a primary amine. Since it is NH2. How many carbon atom is there? 2 carbon. 2 carbon means ethyl. Ethyl amine. So primary amine. So by reducing the amide also, we can able to get the primary amine. By amide also, we can able to get the primary amine. And the next is Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. This is one of the important preparation. Name reactions are all important, no? Yes. this is also important reaction, that is Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis. This is an important method to prepare pure primary amine. Important method to prepare the pure primary amine. Here, before enter into that, one more reasoning question is there. Aromatic primary amine cannot be prepared by this method. Why? So, by Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis, we can able to prepare pure primary amine, and that must be aliphatic. Then why don't we prepare the aromatic amines? Aromatic amines means compound containing the benzene ring. Aromatic means compound containing the benzene ring. Then why don't we prepare? Why can't we prepare the primary amine, aromatic primary amine, by using a Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis? Now we are going to see the reason for that. That is because the aryl halide, aryl means that is C6H5 phenyl group. This is aryl halide. Aryl halide do not undergo nucleophilic substitution. That means nucleophile cannot be added. Since this phenyl, this is like this, no? This is electron rich. So, electrophile only come and attack here, not a nucleophile. So, nucleophilic substitution with an anion formed by thalamide. This type of reaction not undergo in aryl halide. Only electrophilic substitution reaction takes place, not the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Not the nucleophilic substitution reaction to form a thalamide. Imide means NH bond. NH. Imide. Amide means CO, NH2. Here it is NH is imide. So, Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis used for the preparation of pure primary amine. It is used for the preparation of pure primary amine, and it must be aliphatic, cannot prepare the aromatic compound since it does not undergo nucleophilic substitution. Let's see the reaction for this. Now we are going to see the reaction. This is thalamide. Before enter into this, what is a structure name of this compound? That is COOH. COOH. This is phthalic acid. This is phthalic acid. Phthalic acid with ammonia. The preparation we studied, no? Phthalic acid with ammonia properties. So, phthalic acid with ammonia gives thalamide. With ammonia gives thalamide. It gives a thalamide. It gives thalamide. So, that is 2OH and 2 hydrogen goes out. 2H2O, CONH. So, this is thalamide. So, this thalamide, imide, NH, from phthalic acid derivative, you know, acetamide you told. CH3CO, NH2 is acetamide. Imide, that is acetamide, that is here imide, NH, so imide. Ethanolic KOH. Ethanolic KOH. What is the first step? H2O goes out. Instead of H plus, what happens? K plus added here. So, potassium thalamide. This is thalamide, no? Potassium is added. So, potassium thalamide. This is nothing but potassium thalamide. Potassium thalamide. Now, with alkyl halide. So, thalamide with KOH gives potassium thalamide. Then, with alkyl halide. What is alkyl halide? This is, consider this as a CH3Cl. KCl goes out like that. KX. X may be Cl, Br, I, etc. So, this KX goes out. Or added. What is the alkyl group is attached to now? So, it is N-alkyl thalamide. Alkyl group means you have to mention this as N. N-alkyl thalamide. N-alkyl thalamide. N-alkyl thalamide with NaOH, aqueous, in the presence of water, like that, aqueous solution. So, NaOH. What is the reaction takes place here? That is, this is thalamide, no? N-alkyl thalamide. C double bond O, C double bond O, N, R is there. Now, we are going to see the NaOH, how to add the NaOH. Bond breaks here, ONA, H plus. H plus, ONA minus. Here also the bond breaks, ONA, H. Or NH2. Or NH2 goes out. Benzene ring, COONA. COONA. Instead of hydrogen, we have Na. So it is sodium phthalate. This is a pure primary amine or NH2. We get the pure primary amine and it must be a aliphatic. It must be a aliphatic compound. So this is a important Gabriel Thalamide name reaction, that is Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. First we are taking a thalamide. How this is obtained? Phthalic acid with ammonia gives thalamide. With KOH, H2O goes out, we get potassium thalamide. Next add the alkyl halide on heating. KX goes out, N added here. So it is N-alkyl thalamide with aqueous NaOH. Bond breaks between CO and N. ONA, here H. Here ONA and this side H. RNH2 goes out. We get the pure primary amine and the acid is removed as a salt. Acid is removed as a salt. That is sodium phthalate. That is sodium phthalate. This is our main product. This is obtained as a byproduct. Next method is Hoffman bromamide degradation method. Hoffman bromamide. Important. This is also a name reaction. Hoffman bromamide. Reagent. Bromine NaOH. So wherever you see the bromine NaOH, the reaction is Hoffman bromamide. In this reaction, what happens? By using this reagent, CONH2 amide is converted to primary amine. Amide is converted to primary amine. So Hoffman bromamide synthesis means Hoffman bromamide degradation or Hoffman bromamide reaction or Hoffman's reaction. Reagent is bromine with NaOH or KOH. Bromine with NaOH or KOH. What is the reaction going here? NO2 group is converted to NH2. NO2 group is converted to, that is CO. NH2 group is converted to NH2. Amide. Amide is converted to primary amine. Amide is converted to primary amine. Whether it may be a benzamide or acetamide or anything. So in this degradation, migration of alkyl group. What is the first step? Migration of alkyl or aryl from carbonyl carbon of the amide to nitrogen atom. So migration of, here we have one aryl group, no, that goes to nitrogen. So important step takes place in Hoffman bromamide is migration of alkyl or aryl to the nitrogen atom in amide. And then this amine so formed contains one carbon less than that present in the amide. So there we studied, in the reduction of cyanide, we get the product one carbon more. But in degradation means decreases, no. So one carbon less than the amide is obtained. So the amine obtained here is one carbon less than the amide. So let's see the simple amide, that is acetamide, acetic acid derivative. So it is acetamide. Bromine NaOH. Bromine NaOH. This is our Hoffman degradation reagent. This is our Hoffman degradation reagent. In this concept, this amide is converted to NH2. This is the step we are going to see here. How this takes place? That is 4 Na is there, no? 2 NaOH. Let's write like this. 2 NaOH. What happens? 2 NaBr goes out. Remaining. Here one CO. Here Na2. Here 2 oxygen. 2 plus 1, 3. Na2 CO3 goes out. Na2 CO3 goes out. And now 2 OH is there. 2 hydrogen is there. Totally 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen. This goes out as 2 water molecule. So 2 water molecule, 2 NaBr, Na2CO3 remaining is CH3, NH2. So we get the methylamine, which is a primary amine. Which is a primary amine. Which is a primary amine. So in Hoffman's, the reagent is bromine NaOH. What is the conversion takes place here? CONH2 is converted to NH2. CONH2 is converted to NH2. So this is a step here takes place. These are all the preparations of amines. These are all the different preparations of amines.